So the key on this is to think this. If it covers, hold on, I need my marker. If it covers, then it is surface area. Whoop. Surface area. If it fills, then it is volume. So let's take a look at the ones that are going to be surface area on here. Placing an order for tiles to replace the roof on a house. Hey, that covers the roof. So that is definitely one right there. Estimating how long it will take to clean the windows of a greenhouse. Well, you clean the outside of the windows. You don't fill them up, so it's surface area. Deciding whether leftover soup will fit in a container. That's filling the container, so that one will not work. Estimating how long it will take to fill a swimming pool. There's the word fill right there, so that one will not work. Calculating how much paper is needed to manufacture candy bar wrappers. Well, that goes around the outside. It covers the candy bar. So, there you go. Buying fabric to sew a couch cover. There's the word, cover. You can circle that one. And finally, deciding whether one muffin pan is enough to bake a muffin recipe. Well, you put the muffins in the pan, so you're filling the pan with muffins. So I've circled the ones that are correct.